Hey guys, it's Vignesh from CodeAndroid. In this video, we'll see data types and variable creation in Dart. In Dart, we can store numbers in two ways, integer or double. Integers can be used to store numeric values without precision. Also, it can store values up to plus or minus 2 power 53. In Dart, we don't have short or long like Java. We have only integer to store numeric values without precision. In case if we want to store numeric value with precision, then we need to use double. This will be suitable for storing more accurate value of a number. Also, this can manage around 300 decimal points. Strings are used to store characters. It might be one or a paragraph of text. Booleans are used to store true or false. List is suitable to store group of same type of values. And map is used to store key value pairs. In this, key must be unique. Now, we'll see how to create these variables in Dart. To define an integer, we need to use int keyword. Int variable name equals to value, or we can use var keyword. Here, var means variable. When we use var keyword, Dart intelligently assigns the data type. To define double, we need to use double keyword. Or we can use variable like this. For string, we need to use string keyword. And for boolean, we need to use bool keyword. To create a list, we need to give the type of the data we are storing. I want to store group of integers, so I'm giving list of integer and our variable name. We have another short form to do the same thing. Simply we can give the data type inside less than and greater than symbol followed by square brackets. This method will be helpful when we want to create a list with determined length. Finally, we'll see how to create the map. Like list, we need to give the data type of key and value for map. For map also, we have a short form in which we need to give key and value data type inside less than or greater than symbol followed by curly brace. But unlike list, we can't limit the size of the map. Like this, we can create variables in Dart. In next video, we'll see about conditional statements. That's all for this video guys. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.